Watch the first Halo episode for free on YouTube. You don't need Paramount Plus for this episode. They're going to give the first one away for free, get you hooked.
A taster.
They're going to give you a little sample, get you hooked, and then all of a sudden you're subscribed to Paramount Plus.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind how many subscriptions you got.
Yeah. You can start off with this.
You're big on this. You brought this topic up multiple times.
Did I?
You're big on this. I mean, not this specifically, but you're big on this Halo live action series.
I would like to see more game adaptations in the TV series or a movie.
Mm-hmm.
Like the God of Wars, Last of Us. Yeah, that's it.
As long as you're in the U.S., you can access the first episode of Halo on YouTube. The Halo show is nothing like the games, and Verge video games reporter Ash Parrish, a self-confessed Halo lore hobbyist, says it offers a far more compelling look at the Master Chief than anything the games have done so far. See, the video is unavailable because you're in Canada. Mm-hmm. However, get your little VPN going. This episode is sponsored by... No, I'm kidding. But yeah, you get your VPN going. You got no problem watching that.
You're a big Halo guy.
I was a Halo guy, but I'm the opposite of you.
You don't want this.
I said, leave my video games alone. Stop adapting. No, I'm kidding. Can you imagine I'm getting Paramount Plus? Like, it's crazy. Am I getting Paramount Plus? A 30-day membership?
Well, if you want to watch the second episode.
I know, but... okay, I'll watch. I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a crack on the free episode on YouTube, and then I'll let you know what's going on. Yeah. Actually, you should watch it. You got to watch it, okay?
Yes.
Report back to us what's really going on.
Okay, I'll watch it.
You watch it.